In this week's success tip video, I want to ask you one question, and one question only. Where's the money? Where is the money? Where is the money for you as an owner of an accounting firm, as an ambitious entrepreneur? Where is the money? That's my big question. Where is it? And so I wanted to kind of frame this out for you so you really understand it, because for me, it keeps hitting me stronger and stronger every time I start visiting it, and I realize I know exactly where the money is now. I know exactly where it is, but it's taken me a long time to kind of soak this in. So if I can give you the shortcut to figure out where the money is, man, you're going to have so much more success than I ever had. So here's the key. Here's something I just want to do a timeline. So what you've got is you've got here, here, and here. And we're going to call this a timeline. A timeline from there to there to there. And you probably know where I'm going on this one. This is the present. This is the present moment. This is where we're at right now. This is where we are today. This is where everybody is. You can never leave here. It's always here. Even in the past and the future, you're still always here. That's another video. We'll get into that a little bit later, maybe. Probably in the Viking Academy, I'll do that there. Not here in the Accountant Success Formula. So what I've got here is I've got the past, okay? And over here, of course, we've got the future, okay? Now, what we do in the accounting world, the whole structure around it is so fixated on this. It's all about the past, isn't it? You think about that. You get the client's information, you do their personal tax return, and you tell them what happened. You're in the present moment, and you're telling them what happened in the past. You do your personal taxes, you do their financial statements and their cash flow, and then you tell them what happened in the past. Yes, okay, ready? Here comes some more. The government sends a reassessment, and what happens? We go, oh, well, this happened, blah, 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 because the government is reassessing the past. We're always focused on the past. The whole profession is hyper-focused on making sure that we never do anything false or misleading in the present moment that has anything to do with the past. What do your clients really want, and what do they really care about? And where is the money for you? The money is always, always in someone else's future, okay? The better, bigger money is always in someone's bigger, brighter future, okay? Your bigger, brighter money is in the bigger, brighter future, actually. I like that. So here's the thing. When you talk to people about where they're going, where they want to get to, you say, I'm going to take care of your tax return so that you can save X amount of dollars so that you can buy your daughter a scooter or a bike, or in my case, my daughter, she wants a motorcycle. Her mother does not want me to buy one. Isla, yes, you've heard it on this video. I will get you a motorcycle one day, but not for a while. But I'm going to save you money on your tax return so you can buy your daughter a motorcycle in the future. Okay? I'm going to help you restructure your company and your shares, and we're going to do a reorg and a freeze and all the rest of that so we can set it up so that when you go to retire or when you go to sell your company, you're going to maximize the amount of cash you have in your pocket in the future. Okay? That's what's going to happen in the future. The result of what we're going to do in the present moment. We're going to help you for the future. Now, what else is there? They want to, so we just talked about reorg. When you pass away, when you leave this planet, we'll do some estate planning, and we'll make sure that all the money goes to the right kid. It goes to your kids, goes to the place that you want, the foundation or the charity, happens in the future, okay? Helping you sell your business. Now, where's the bigger amount of money? The bigger amount of money is always in someone's future. The money is here. This is what they want, is a bigger, brighter future. The past already happened. So yeah, you can take away some of that pain, and here's the thing. You can still tie in and talk about what you did for them in the past, to fix up the past, to clean up the past, okay? But always do it in reference to what it's going to get them in the future. So we all call this, it's a BBF, the bigger, brighter future. The firms that I work with in the Accountant Success Formula coaching program understand this. We've coined it the BBF, the bigger, brighter future. The money is always in someone's bigger, brighter future. So if you can reframe your thinking around where the actual value is, you're always going to be super focused and almost obsessive about where the client's going. What is in their future? If you can sit and talk to them about what's in their future, what they want, then you can figure out what's blocking them to get to their future. And if you can take that blocker away, then you talk about, hey, I can remove this blocker so you can get to your future faster. Or maybe there's a way for me to accelerate how you can get to your future faster. You see where I'm going here? So we're either going to make it easier, quicker, cheaper, better results for the future. That's all future oriented. So if you can get yourself wrapped around that, get them excited about the future value, then you can tie into the other part of the accountant success formula, which is capturing that value today, not tomorrow. Like, don't capture the value tomorrow, capture it in the present moment, have the conversation with them about their future. They see the big, oh my God, it's incredible value. Then you lock in the price. That's when the price is the highest. Because eventually the present goes to the future and you're in the present now. And what accountants do is now this whole thing shifts. You're in the present moment saying, well, this is what we did for you back here, blah, blah, blah. Well, now they're in the present moment and you're telling them about stuff you did in the past, and the only thing they care about is a new future. So it's always a moving target. So it's about talking to them about their future, bigger, brighter future. That's where your money is. Where's the money? In their bigger, brighter future, not in their past. There you go. I'm Eric Solbakken, reminding you that when you take back control of your business model, you can take back control of your life and your future. Stay tuned for more success tips to come.